Dewy is out. Satin is in. This is 2025's biggest glow-up, the skin finish that's changing the face of beauty. For years, dewy skin was the ultimate beauty goal, all about shine, glow, and that glassy finish. But let's be real. In daily life, it didn't always hold up. Makeup slid, skin looked greasy, and midday touch-ups became non-negotiable. Now, in 2025, beauty is entering a new phase. Say hello to satin skin, a balanced, breathable finish that sits between dewy and matte. It's smooth, it's soft, and it lets your natural texture shine through just a little more polished. Think of it as the modern glow, camera-ready yet understated, refined but never flat. It's the look that works from morning meetings to midnight rooftop parties with no blotting required. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Primer. Choose a lightweight, hydrating formula with nothing oily. It should smooth texture, blur pores, and create the perfect base without adding shine. Next, Satin Finish Foundation. This is the star. Apply with a brush to keep coverage seamless and even, or use a sponge if you prefer a softer, skin-like effect. The goal? Even tone with a breathable finish that moves with your skin. Now set your T-zone. Use a finely milled translucent powder just on the areas that tend to shine: nose, forehead, and chin. Skip heavy baking. This look is about balance, not blotting everything out. Lock it in with a lightweight setting spray. A good mist extends wear, sets the finish, and keeps your skin looking fresh without adding unwanted sheen. Want to elevate it? Add a touch of cream blush on the apples of the cheeks, blend in a soft contour, and finish with a whisper of highlighter. Think glow, not glitter. Final look and pro tips. The final look: effortless, timeless, and tailored to real life. Satin skin photographs beautifully, resists creasing, and adapts to every lighting condition, from golden hour to flash photography. Pro tip: satin skin pairs best with minimal makeup. Let the skin breathe. Skip heavy layers. Go for fluffy brows, a tinted lip balm, and a subtle wing. The skin is the statement. And the best part? Satin finishes work on every skin tone, every skin type, and every age. It's flattering, forgiving, and refreshingly low maintenance. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a movement back to balance, back to skin that looks like skin. The satin skin revolution is here, and it's rewriting the rules of radiance. Love this glow up? Hit subscribe for more 2025 beauty trends and pro tutorials.